Welcome to the Basics Hub. If you're looking to maximize your indoor space and add some style, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore 10 genius indoor hack ideas that will not only tidy up your home but also add a touch of creativity. Let's dive in. Hack 1. DIY Cord Hider. Our first hack is a DIY cord hider. If you have unsightly cords running along your walls or baseboards, this hack is perfect for you. Here's what you'll need: decorative fabric or washi tape, scissors, and adhesive if needed. Simply measure the length of the cord, cut the fabric or tape to size, and wrap it around the cord. You can use colors and patterns that match your decor for a stylish look. This not only makes your space look tidier but also adds a pop of color. Hack 2. Magnetic Spice Rack. Next up is our magnetic spice rack. This hack saves space and makes your spices easily accessible while cooking. Here's how to set it up. Purchase small magnetic containers or repurpose old spice jars with magnets attached. Attach them to the side of your fridge, labeling each container for easy identification. This keeps your spices organized and adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Hack 3. Underbed Storage. Our third hack is all about maximizing underbed storage. This area often goes unused, but it can be a great solution for seasonal clothing or extra linens. Here's what you can do. Use rolling bins that fit under your bed for easy access. Alternatively, vacuum-sealed bags are perfect for saving space. Simply fill them with items you don't need immediate access to, and slide them under your bed. This keeps your bedroom clutter-free and organized. Hack 4. Hanging Pot Rack. Next, let's install a hanging pot rack. This is an excellent way to free up cabinet space while displaying your cookware as decor. Here's how to do it. Choose a location above your kitchen island or stove where it's easily accessible. Install hooks or purchase a pre-made pot rack. Hang your pots and pans on it, showcasing them as part of your kitchen design. Not only does this save space, but it also adds character to your cooking area. Hack 5. DIY Air Fresheners. Now let's make some DIY air fresheners. These natural air fresheners are easy to create and can be placed throughout your home. Here's what you'll need: small jars with lids, baking soda, and essential oils of your choice. Fill each jar halfway with baking soda and add about 10 drops of essential oil. Poke holes in the lid for ventilation, then place them in areas like bathrooms, kitchens, or closets. These will keep your home smelling fresh without harsh chemicals. Hack 6. DIY Jewelry Organizer. Next up is a DIY jewelry organizer. If you have tangled necklaces and misplaced earrings, this hack is perfect for you. Here's what you'll need: an old picture frame, decorative mesh or lace, scissors, and glue. Remove the glass from the frame and replace it with the mesh or lace, securing it in place. Hang the frame on your wall and use it to display your jewelry. This keeps everything organized and adds a decorative touch to your room. Hack 7. Repurposed Wine Rack for Towels. Our seventh hack is using a repurposed wine rack for towel storage. This is a stylish way to keep your towels organized in the bathroom. Here's how to do it. Find an old wine rack or purchase one that fits your decor. Roll up your towels and place them in the slots of the wine rack. This not only saves space but also makes your bathroom look chic and organized. Hack 8. DIY Magnetic Key Holder. Next, let's create a DIY magnetic key holder. This is a simple solution for keeping your keys organized and easily accessible. Here's what you'll need: a small wooden board or picture frame, strong magnets, and glue. Attach the magnets to the board using glue, then hang it near your entrance. You can stick your keys directly onto the magnets, ensuring they're always easy to find. Hack 9. Tension Rod for Cleaning Supplies. Our ninth hack involves using a tension rod for cleaning supplies. This is an excellent way to maximize space under your sink. Here's how to do it. Measure the space under your sink and purchase a tension rod that fits. Install the tension rod horizontally under the sink and hang spray bottles from it using hooks. This keeps everything organized and frees up valuable shelf space. Hack 10. Color-coded storage bins. Finally, let's talk about color-coded storage bins. This hack makes organizing fun and visually appealing. Here's what you need: various storage bins in different colors. Assign each color to specific categories, like blue for winter clothes, green for toys, or red for holiday decorations. Label each bin for easy identification. This not only keeps things organized but also adds a pop of color to your storage areas. And there you have it, 10 genius indoor hack ideas that will help you maximize space and add style to your home. From jewelry organizers to color-coded storage bins, these hacks are simple yet effective. If you found these hacks helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more creative ideas. Share your favorite indoor hacks in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Happy organizing!